Popolo di RCV Television, ci troviamo in questo momento in uno stand estremamente interessante per tutta la nostra community di appassionati di simulazione di volo. Ci troviamo infatti all'interno dello stand di Ikarus e stiamo per parlare con Hans Torsten. Is it correct? My pronunciation? Ok, very good. And lui è il capo dello sviluppo di questo prodotto, per cui proverò a chiedergli una serie di informazioni per chiarire tanti dubbi che a volte si leggono anche sui forum. Good morning, how are you?
Yes, fine, thank you.
Have you flown this morning?
Yes, already flew quite a bit about the Switzerland.
Okay, very good, very good. Dear Hans, can you give us some information about the product? Is more or less quite new. So we'd like to understand something concerning the architecture, which kind of computer are you supporting and so on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we came out with Aerofly FS shortly before Christmas 2011. Aerofly FS is a simulator mainly for the VFR market. That is, we have airplanes for general aviation like a Cessna. We have gliders as well, and we also have aerobatic airplanes like the Extra or the Pitts. And we also have, for quick flying over the scenery, we have a jet.
Okay, and you say that it's mainly related to VFR flight and not very much IFR?
Yes, this is correct. Currently, the functionality inside a cockpit is not that much. You can just basically fly, but flying is extremely realistic, so the focus is on flying. It's not on how to use or operate the actual aircraft.
Okay, you have mentioned several planes which are in bundle with the product. Can you give us some information about the sceneries?
Yes, scenery is, we have the whole country of Switzerland covered with up to 1 meter.
Can you give us a why?
Why? I would say for VFR flying, Switzerland is just a perfect spot. It's much better than flying over northern Germany with its boring flat areas. So,
okay, interesting.
Yeah, and again, we have the whole Switzerland in there with 1 meter per pixel resolution, and we also modeled many airports as well.
Photorealistic quality.
Photorealistic quality, exactly. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And do you plan to extend this area in future?
We plan to extend the area in the future. I cannot give much information yet. It's a new product still, so we have to wait. What is the feedback? What would the people like to see or not? But we will definitely improve the product.
And what about external product? I mean, joystick, pedals, and everything from, I mean, CH or Cytec and so on that offer on the market several products.
Yeah, so far we haven't seen any problems. So you can use basically any joystick, any pedals you want, or you can make a combination. So you can use pedals or just a joystick. This is all supported, yes. Okay,
but not the products, of course, related to IFR. I mean, autopilot and so on. They will not work.
No, this is not. We have an autopilot inside the program. If you activate a certain function, the model is kept at a certain height, and so. But we don't feature any of the products you mentioned yet.
And what about the chance to fly on the network?
This is not yet possible. Again, the successor to the Aerofly FS will have a multiplayer mode in it.
I want to do a very bad question to you. You know that you are facing the release of a very important competitor. I am talking about Microsoft Flight. But it's interesting for us to understand how you suppose that people have to approach those different products.
Yeah, again, it's not really clear what direction Microsoft is heading. But with Aerofly FS, you get a very realistic simulator that's yet easy to use. And we want to have one product in it. You shouldn't get all those different kinds of installed add-ons. We want the customer to have a perfect product, and that's just for flying. And flying is the main emphasis for us. Yeah?
Okay, thank you very much. Final question: how is the approach on the market in this moment?
So far, we have overwhelming feedback. We are surprised ourselves that we have such a good feedback, and it's just keeps us on the way to improve the product even further. Yeah.
Ok, so thank you very much, grazie ragazzi, comunque speriamo di avervi dato tutte le informazioni possibili. In qualunque caso, you know that you have a very good website where everyone can have any kind of information.
Yes, you can look at aeroflyfs.com. You see videos, pictures, and if you have more questions, just ask.
Okay. Yeah. So very good to hear this kind of approach. Grazie, thank you very much e alla prossima.
Okay, goodbye.